Hi, I'm Fraser. I had a hair transplant with Smile Hair Clinic back in December 2021. I'm just over 6 months now. I just wanted to give the clinic a bit of a shout out in regards to my treatment, give everyone a little bit more of an overview of my experience. My overall experience started when I was about 24, started losing my hair and just losing confidence since then. Smile Hair Clinic came more as a find from the BBC documentary. I reached out to the gent to find out a little bit more about his experience over Facebook. Completely, free of mind, giving me insight to his experience, gave me a little bit more peace of mind of what I would expect. Went through the treatment, it was fantastic. Had a complete overview of what to expect in the outcome, pre and post. And ever since then, I've had regular check-ins with the clinic. They check in with me month on month with my progress. And as you can see, the results kind of show for themselves as a whole. Today I've also had a fresh haircut, so it looks good, and I'm happy with it. I'm only, just over 6 months as a whole, so plenty more growth to hopefully come in with it, and great experience as a whole. I just want to say thank you to the clinic.